We got What the Dog doing versus our boy DRAX. Alright.
He's like, I understand all the words.
This is gonna be a game.
Like, no, most definitely. Like, I understand that anymore. Anyway, I understand.
He's like, you know how they say, like, you know,
Starting off, so in this matchup, I don't know what Lucina does. I know what Duckgun does. He's back to the drawing board, but seeing him perform well on like platforms is also is good. I love seeing Duckgun on platforms. There's so much potential. A lot of good bread and butters coming out from Clay Pigeon. Doing Clay Pigeon into actually no, this is a very fast-paced game. DRAX almost pulling off a good first stock. Getting the edge guard, and that secures DRAX, and they're both out. Alright, even trade. Just saying there's a lot of potential for a duck hunt on tri-plat, so it's very weird to see how DRAX would play around all this. Around Can, around Gunman, around Clay Pigeon, around everything. When you think about it, like, Can is literally my least favorite game ever. Well, like, what's your primary thing you do fast now? That's like well, nigga, anybody gonna play? Anybody gonna play on like Battlefield?
Yeah, or something.
Well, against Pithra? No. Against Cloud? Maybe. Against like whatever character you want to play of the week.
Here's the thing. I'm going to kill you off the side way more than
No, yeah, I
understand that.
So, like, no, I literally cannot cheese you off the top. You have to like put down control and off the top. But like on down, I can literally click that zero off the side.
That's a good thing. I never really thought about that until now. Until you just said, like, how's Liver gonna kill me off the top like that? Oh, Clay Pigeon. Oh, my boy. We got a DRAX fan chat, but oh my Christ, we got
like no sparks or anything. You're like, oh.
it's just that's so disgusting. Clay Pigeon's so broken. Let's see how DRAX will adapt to being combo food. Let's see how well like he gets past all this. Like it's just DRAX needs to bring this back, but he needs to adapt it very well against Can. He needs to be very good at his vertical play. I think it's Clay Pigeon's cringe, but that's just me. Oh, and back there securing the kill.
I will be banning Town City.
Alright, now with him banning Town City and Kalos, bringing into game 2. I don't know how DRAX could actually like adapt to that. It's kind of crazy. Like crazy. Wait, voice band Dragon? What would it like? What was it? Oh, he had extreme speed? Okay, I was wondering what he used. I was like, cool.
No rain, by the way.
3, 2, 1, go! Back to the drawing board. DRAX needs to cook up something new. It's on a flat stage. Maybe something else will happen. Maybe edgy already. Whatever's happening gives Freshbot a little bit of a sandbox, a little bit of a playing field. Going in right up front. What's up, homie?
Brad 1-2-0. I went Nest, you went me brawler.
Wait, 2, he won 2-0, Nest me brawler.
And everyone who loses round 3 is going to your next round.
Okay.
So I would like to do it.
Dude, your game,
Did they what?
I think they've been there for a while. What's up?
In the air.
Okay, so you won. Right. Get more Sherry?
Carry your
Yeah.
Can I get Regal Tangent, Oni on an open setup? And can I get Razzle Dazzle and Cade? Damn, they were rough for their game 3. We'll score.
2-1.
I knew it. I knew it was 2-1. That's so unfortunate. I know he played Blink Gold, but I know he played Mega Man World. Which was it? Oh no, like.
Okay. Look up.
No, he's in my way.
Alright, look up.
Alright.